Hey guys, welcome back to Receptive Solutions, your one-stop to travel, work, study and settle abroad. So today we are talking about Canada as the Canadian government has issued changes in its postgraduate work permit. This is for the international students which will be imposed from November 1st, 2024 and onwards. Well, what has not changed and are there any exceptions? To be eligible for a Pgwp, you must complete a study program at a Pgwp eligible designated learning institution. This means the general and physical location eligibility requirements. If you apply for Pgwp before November 1st, you must be eligible as of the current criteria. If you apply for a Pgwp as a graduate of Pgwp eligible flight school, you only need to meet the current eligibility criteria. Even after November 1st, the new eligibility requirements does not apply to you. What changes to Pgwp criteria for working in Canada postgraduate? Well, if you graduated from a university bachelor's degree, master's degree or a doctorate degree program, you must prove your English or French language skills with the minimum level of Canadian language benchmarks. If you graduated from any other university program, you must prove your English or French language skills with the minimum level of CLB 7 in English or NCLC 7 in French in all 4 language areas. Well, if you graduated from a college program or any other program, you must prove your English or French language skills with the minimum level of CLB 5 in English or NCLC 5 in French in all 4 language areas. You must provide proof of your language ability to meet the language requirements when you apply for your Pgwp program. Applicants must demonstrate their proof of language ability by reading, writing, listening and speaking skills. So this was some important information on Canada and we will keep filling in with more such news. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.